Good to great. This is Yuvaraj from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. I have been studied Sujok level 1, level 2, and Sujok 6 key 1, 6 key 2, all the 4 levels with Master Dr. Prof.Dr.D.DURAISINGAM sir. Actually, I studied Sujok basic course. History of the development of Sujoki therapy methods, the similarity of the hand of the body, the evidence of correspondence of the thumb to the head, the standard system of correspondence to the body of the hands, location of the lines of the symmetry, yin-yang border, and the projection of the diaphragm on hands, primary and secondary correspondence systems, correspondence to head, neck, and extremities, basic strategies of locating, correspondence points, demonstration of the efficiency of the methods, locating therapeutic points with a diagnostic probe, massage techniques in the correspondence system using fingers, diagnostic probe, and the roller massages, projection of the organs of the chest, abdomen, and the small pelvic of the spinal column, nervous and the endocrine systems, the standard system of the correspondence of the body and the feet, location of the lines of symmetry, yin-yang border, and projections of the diaphragm on feet. Also, projection of the organs of the chest, abdomen, and small pelvis, the spinal column, nervous and endocrine system, and the correspondence system, locating difficult points of the standard correspondence system on the hands, mini system of correspondence, treatment of pain, principle and methods, applications of the surfaces applicators, magnets and metal saws and other attribute simulators, marxibution, indications, contraindications, various types of moxa, methods of marxibution, tonification, sedation and harmonization, basic treatments, solar therapy, treatment with micro needles and T needles, bloodletting inserters, replacement trips, sterilization, application of natural simulators, seed therapy and light therapy. All those things I learned in the Sujok basic course. And about Sujok, made in Sujok key, I learned objective way of the treatment intended of regulations of the quality of energy flow. The general principle of the energy circulation, spiral wave. The theory of triorigin, brief discussion of hetero, homo, neutro and neutro forces. The idea of the energy system for the triorigin model point of view. The theory of 6 key energies. The magnification of 6 energies of nature, yin-yang meridians of the body and its connection with hollow and dense organs. Energy circulations in the meridians. The idea of energy state of meridians, excess and deficiency energy quantitative, energy disorders. Energy disorders diagnostic based on the localization of pathology process according to the meridian localization. Diagnostic based on the meridians of the activity, bile meridians, their topology, energy flow directions, a manner of therapy, principle of Sujoki therapy by meridians, type of magnets, basic idea of magnets, rules of magnet application, tonification, sedation of the basic method of influence on the energy state of the meridians, fingers Sujoki therapy, algorithm of applying Sujoki therapy using individual bile meridians, muscle diagnostics application techniques, practicing muscle diagnostic skills, diagnostic by spiritual points, symptomatic diagnosis for 6 energy briefly, the law of 5 elements, the functions of the 5 elements, functional connection between the energies, principle of meridian selection, long meridian, bile meridians, then topography, diagnosis of affections, practicing meridian Sujoki therapy, techniques of the treatment using bile meridians and long bile meridians, demonstration of the methods and efficiency, and applying different techniques and instruments using Sujoki therapy by meridians, acupuncture, marxibution, seed therapy, color and light therapy, light simulators, Sujoki 1, Sujoki 2, Sujoki 3. Also, the therapy of 6 key is role in relevance of medicines. In the 6 key 1, psychological and pathological manifestation of 6 energy in the human body, axial interaction and axial relations, and the seesaw principles, everything I learned from this Sujoki 1, and level of basic energies, unified and individuals, level of diagnostic by unified dormant energy, the chakra system of the body, vertical spin chakras, circulation of unified energies, axial chakra treatment by level of unified energies, the sprintal and spin and chakras, and rules of making prescriptions according to the axial disciple with reference to constitutions, treatments according to the dominating energy, treatments according to the attendant symptom through basic and additional access on the bile chakras, clinical cases to determine unified dominating energy, and the sagittal spin chakras. With the support of the axial chakra treatment of the level of individual energies, internal chakra, the hotness, and the internal chakra of the brightness, solar, controlling elements while applying chakra treatment of the level of individual energies. And the medical system of the body, the idea of the energy constitution, the 6 element axis constitution, unified phenomenal energies, functional practical ways of defining homo hetero group 6C element axis constitution, dominating energy in a constitution, everything I have learned from him. Clinical cases and determine symmetrical constitutions of unified energies, treatment using dominating energy constituting the patient's constitution and the bile chakra, bile meridians. Also the precautions and safety and hygiene. And about Sujok 62 course, the concept of branch energies, applying treatment on the level of branch energies, harmonization of the quality of the energy flow, using axial points of the 6 key bile meridians and the bile for correction of the imbalance of the branch energies, constitution of the branch energies such as disease and internal organs from the viewpoint of their energy success and dominating basic energies, clinical case studies to determine the symmetrical constitution of branch energies, structures, axial branch energies treatment considering the symmetrical structure of the energy on bile chakra of the bile meridians, cross-linking constitutions of 6 energy and where the energy corrections of using bile meridians and the bile chakras, cross-linking constitution of unified individual branch energies, hierarchy of energies, a multi-level constitution, the concept of the substructure, stage of disease from the position of 6 key, treatment through substructures, the concept of renting principle, rules for making prescription, regional and functional diagnosis for the internal organ systems of the wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness and coldness, 6 key classification of the sense organs, diagnostic of dominating energy by the sense organs, diagnosis of branch energy by the sense organs, regional septal diagnostic of the body, diagnostic of the face, indications for the applying treatment by chakras and meridians, local treatment using seasonal and age-related diagnosis of determined in the imbalance of branch energies, the historical value of the law of phylum Chinese natural philosophy, the theory of the 6 origin 60 comparison with the 60 conception of the 5 elements, comparison of 60 sense organs classified by 5-6 elements, points of 5 elements are meridians, map of the hand, rules for making prescriptions, treatment through unified individual energies by using subjugation and anti-subjugation combined methods, treatment of acute and chronic diseases, the idea of energy constitution from the point of view of the law of 5 elements, limitations of 5 elements approaches of their treatment, other methods of using branch energies with color, light, seeds, distribution, etc., the clinical case studies of determining symmetrical and crossing constitution on all the levels of the energy system, a review of the most complicated questions, precaution, hygiene. Those things I learned in the Sujok therapy course, and I am practicing individual my own with corresponding whole system. Apart from all the things, after the completion of the classes, the routine proper follow from my great professor Dr. D.URAISINGAM sir, with the help of the follows and encouraging the students, I am doing myself and practicing myself the Sujok principle, all the 4 levels depending upon the severity and the energy functions and the energy diagnostic of the clinical cases. Thank you lot of to ISA and my great professor Dr. D.URAISINGAM sir. Thank you so much sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.